Testing, 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 and testing. What is more exciting than testing for the software developers? Well, you've sensed my sarcasm, but testing is actually will save you hours and hours and hours later when you're trying to find that pesky bug, when you're trying to refactor your existing code or someone else's code. So do testing. There are three types of testing: unit testing, UI testing, and functional testing. So first of all, you need a test runner. Jest is a good option for React components. Why? Because it has JS DOM. With JS DOM, you don't need a headless browser. You can just create that HTML from your components right there. You don't need a headless browser such as what are the headless browsers? Selenium WebDriver, or any of those tools, right? Unit testing. So I will show you how to create Jest assertions. The Jest already comes with expect, so you don't need to get chai, you don't need to get express.js. That's another difference between Jest and Mocha and Jasmine and other libraries. With those libraries, you need to bring the extra things. Jest already has expect language, it has the JS DOM, so it's good. It's a good choice especially for React stack. And then the UI testing. What is nice about React, we can sort of switch to the UI testing as well, not just the unit testing, right? With UI testing, we're testing the behavior of the components. So for example, I have a password widget. In that password widget, I have a button which will generate me a random password, and that random password will satisfy all the password criteria because the password needs to be strong. So I'm clicking on that generate password button, and then I'm comparing the result. All is done in the testing in Jest. I don't need a browser. I don't need to manually click anywhere. It's a magic. It's a nice tool. Do the UI testing, or at least do the unit testing. It will save you hours and hours because this is the best practice, and because you don't want to mindlessly spend hours debugging something which could have been caught in testing in your continuous integration and continuous delivery. So unit testing, React with Jest. This is the chapter 16 of React Quickly, and it was the author of React Quickly, Azat Mardan. Go ahead and check out the chapter and the book as well, and I'll see you in the next videos.